I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing visible fasteners, 2 Phillips screws near the latch and any T25 Torx toward the hinges. Use a flat trim tool to pry trim edges gently. You want to release clips without breaking them. Once a corner lifts, work 1 clip at a time because the trim is fragile. Pry under the clip head and pull outward. Make sure to keep each fastener in a small container so you don't lose them and so reassembly goes smoothly. Once the outer clips are loose, move along the trim in 2 to 3 inch intervals and pry upward to disengage internal retainers. You need gradual pressure to avoid cracking the trim. As you free the middle section, feel for hidden screws behind rubber seals and remove them. If the trim houses wiring, license lamp, or trunk release, pinch the connector tab and disconnect before pulling the panel away. This prevents stretching or damaging wires when the trim comes off fully. With all clips and connectors free, lift the boot trim straight out and place it on a soft towel to prevent scratches. Inspect each clip and retainer. Replace any damaged pieces before reinstalling so the trim sits correctly. When reinstalling, reconnect electrical plugs and test the license lamp and latch operation to confirm proper function. If the trim won't align, check for a trapped clip or a bent retainer. Realign the edge. Then press.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.